SBET stock analysis, this for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Especially looking at Sharplink, man, this is in this correction phase, which is totally fair and fine. And all I'm looking to further do from here is take things not higher. It's more so like I'm biased towards this bearish side. Not that I just want to, but just trying to keep things real, because we had just like a random pump out of freaking nowhere. And then we kind of kept crashing. So like this for me, just filling in the gap. And if there is a double break, only then I'm looking to take things further lower, right? If that's not the case, bro, I'm not gonna just sell. That's about it, right? What happens if the price keeps breaking up and filling in the gaps? But we can shift the analysis. But right now, I'm just sticking with the freaking formula, the process, the system that I've refined over 43,000 videos. So if you want all the sauce, the Discord, all the intricacies, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have seen it. Absolutely risk free.